Hey everyone, this is INSCAPE and you are on the part 2 of RAKSHABANDHAN series. So as you all know that I have already given you the first part in which we made the Lumba Rakhi, and thank you so much for the amazing response for this video. And as you know that we Rakhi to bana li hai yaar, lekin you know nowadays brothers and sisters stay really far away from each other. So it is not always possible on every festival occasion to actually go and meet them. So ऐसे भी बहुत लोग होंगे यार कि जिनके भाई बहन जो है बहुत दूर रह रहे हैं एंड वी नॉर्मली हैव टू पोस्ट राखीज टू आवर ब्रदर्स स्पेशली सिस्टर्स. सो व्हाई शुड वी पोस्ट आवर राखीज इन दोस बोरिंग एनवेलप्स? बहुत बोरिंग होते हैं ना. Yes, you guessed it right. In this video, I am going to tell you some very easy customized envelopes that you can use to post Rakhi for your brothers. And at the same time, they are going to be very, beautiful looking and traditional as well. So let's begin. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. I'll see you in the next part of this video. That is going to be the final part. And also, if you haven't seen the previous video, I'll mention link in the description box. Let me know how you found these series in the comment section box. And till then, stay creative.